and geography. In this video, I'm going to show how to export DEM or in any image from Google Earth Engine. Also, different types of export process in Google Earth Engine, and also three types of export process, means export to drive, export to cloud storage, and export to asset of Google Earth Engine. So I want to request you, please see this video up to the end. And if you are not the subscriber of my channel, please subscribe my channel Understanding RS-GIS and Geography. And thanks for clicking this video. First of all, what you need to do, you need to call the image which you want to export. Here I used to show this video by calling the image called SRTM DEM, Shuttle Radar Topography Mission DEM, with 30-meter spatial resolution. This is the first step. And second step is you need to call the region of interest. This is my region of interest. I used Chamoli District of Uttarakhand of India to see the DEM and export the DEM. This is the ROI, region of interest, Chamoli District. And if you don't know how to convert global shapefile data into your asset, please see my previous videos, and I will attach this video in the description box. You can see by clicking on the description box. And I used center object as 9, and then I clipped the DEM using the shapefile and the SRTM DEM data named as srtmChamoli. This is the region of interest DEM data, and I used the region of interest as Chamoli District in red color. And by clicking the run, you can see this is the Chamoli District's shapefile area, and I want to see the visualization of the DEM in the step 3. Means first step is calling the DEM data, and the second step is area of interest, and the third step is visualization of the DEM data. Just click on the run, then you can find this is the region of interest, and this is the DEM data, SRTM DEM over Chamoli District of India. This is the process, and the next process is export process. Also, three types of export process called export to drive, export image to asset, and export image to cloud storage. The first type, export image to drive. For this, export.image to drive, and then image name, which image you want to export. This is the image name variable, srtmChamoli, clipped image of the Chamoli District of SRTM data. This is the image name, and the description, I am giving the description as SRTM DEM Chamoli folder, on which folder you want to export. In the drive, this is my drive folder, Earth Engine Exports. This is my drive folder. And then file name prefix I named as SRTM DEM Chamoli, then region of interest ROI, which I already mentioned, and the scale is 30 meter because this DEM spatial resolution is 30 meter, and max pixel L1E9. This is the maximum allowed pixels to export. Now you can give less than this, but it will be safe. You can maximize the max pixel size. This will be the export code for the export image to drive. And the next thing is export image to asset. You can export the image to asset as you can again and again, and call the data very quickly with less codes. For this, the most of the process is the same as export to drive, but here it's some difference. This asset ID is the difference. Otherwise, everything is the same. Asset ID, here the folder, here the asset ID. For export to drive, you need to mention the folder, but export to asset, you need to mention the asset ID. Here is my asset ID. You can, and everything will be same, but this asset ID is my asset ID. You can change as per your asset ID, and this is the everything is same as the export to drive. And then last export process of image, export image to cloud storage. You can export the image to the cloud storage. For this, everything will be same, but the bucket will be different. Otherwise, everything will be same. Here to cloud storage, here to asset, and here to drive. But this here the folder name was different, here the asset ID was different, and here the bucket, means the Google Cloud Storage bucket. You have to give the name of this bucket, and this is the process how you can export image So I'm clicking on the run, then in the taskbar you can see those. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification of new videos from my channel, and click on task. Here you can see SRTM DEM Chamoli, SRTM DEM Asset, SRTM DEM Google Cloud Storage. And by clicking on the run, you have to nothing to do, just click on run, then and it will be downloaded to your drive. And the asset, here also just click on the run, or you can change the asset ID, projects, etc. I don't want to change. And for the Google Cloud Storage, you have to give the name and Google Cloud Storage bucket name. That's all about how to export images to drive, to cloud storage, and to asset. Thanks for watching till the end. Please like this video, share among your friends, and of course comment me if you have any query or suggestions for me. Thanks for watching till the end, and thank you so much. Please stay connected with my channel, understanding RS-GIS and geography. Thank you.